What's up, people? Elvis here at ElvisUptownBlogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today's November 8th, 2011. And as always, to get the same watch list used in the videos, simply visit the blog in the morning. The watch list is posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. And to keep up to date, use the subscribe buttons here. And I am on Facebook. All you got to do is like the Facebook fan page, and you will get blog updates on your Facebook status updates. I believe that's the right way to say it. Anyway, currently the market's gapping up, so I will look for negative to positive. No eco news today, as far as I can see. Nothing important here. That's what the blurb says, actually. November 8th, 2011, the U.S. calendar is quiet, which once again puts the focus on developments in Europe. So we will be focusing on any type of news coming out of Europe. Still should be a semi-interesting trading day. Yesterday seemed to be kind of interesting. We went from we opened up flat, and then we broke through highs, then tested the lows, and then back to highs. So pretty much range bound day. I wouldn't really call it a chop fest because there seemed to be some clean moves there, and I'm sure some stocks had some clean moves as well. Anyway, I'll be back when the market opens up, which will be in about 15 minutes. Alright guys, there we go. Market's open, and I will be back with some trades. Alright guys, just got long this BTU here off this little buy signal, and it pulled in for me, met my risk criteria of 11 cents. It's got a funky spread to it, but should be a good little trade here. Let's see if this thing wants to make a move back up towards the previous day's high. So looking at a nice 40-cent trade here. This thing should go through the whole number and get up to this 16 area. I'm gonna sell at about 43.08. Give me that 40 cents. 44.08 rather. Alright, just an update here. Got a quarter point out of this, and let's see if it breaks through that whole number. Gives me that that profit target I'm looking for. Alright, market's breaking out to highs here. Things seem to be accelerating to the upside. This thing should rip through the 44 level. At least get to that 44.16 area. Alright, just hit that 44 and got my orders out at 07. It's actually a momentum trader's trigger right here through the whole number, and this looks like a kind of resistance area. This is where I'm selling. Been in it early. And there we go, just got filled. Got 200 shares left, and gonna let that one ride. See maybe if it could get up to this 44.50 area. But that's a crapshoot in a way. Alright, so B2 got up to the previous day's high here. See if it breaks through. This is 44.43 print pre-market. I guess I'm gonna call that a target there for the next level. I'm looking at this APKT. This might trigger a buy for me here. Not a lot of volume today, but It's a decent buy signal on a positive tick, so just threw an order out there, see if it fills. Alright, got stopped out of the B2. I put my stop at 43.99. And still watching this APKT here. It's not really one of my favorite stocks to trade. Funky spread to it, but funky spreads can pay pretty well if you're used to trading them. Still got that order out at 95. Stop will be at 84. And with the funky spread, can look to make a decent profit on it. Alright, got long this APKT here at 93. I canceled the order. I saw it was coming in a little bit with the market, so got a little bit of a better price. I forgot it was 95 or something like that. So anyway, the stop loss is out there at 82. It's actually kind of just below this this moving average here, and also a penny below the low. So let's see what happens here. This was a new candle that just came up, so the signal is not definitely going to print here. Anyway, I'll update it. And just took the stop here. Figured it was going to do that. It looks like a bearish pattern. Should have probably just not traded this one here. Anyway, on to the next one, guys. Alright, got a pretty good short signal here. Probably call it a A plus, but the range is pretty messed up for me. So risking a decent amount here, a little bit more than I would like to. And I do not know why this one did not alert me. I have it on. Not sure why it didn't alert. Kind of testing out a new revision of the. Wow, they just tanked this thing. I'm gonna cover that. That was crazy. So it was risking actually about 15 cents. And this thing just got cracked. I do not know why. So yeah, I'm testing out a revision basically of the mod 2, which of course I'll release to the customers. Get it out to you guys. Just need a little bit more testing on it. Like I said, also the alerts are acting a little bit funny. Like I didn't get an alert on this sell signal here. So there's something wrong with the coding. I'll fix that up though. Anyway, on to the next trade. That was kind of lucky, but that's what the system gives you from time to time here. There is another short signal that's acceptable with the negative tick reading, and it hasn't moved down yet. It meets my risk criteria. It's kind of a nasty looking chart here though, a sideways chart, but giving this one a shot here. Looks like it's gonna crack this moving average. Risking am I risking here? 10 cents, so just jumping in because market is coming in, and I got a pretty decent profit on that last trade. I mean, it was probably the best trade I had in a couple of months there. I mean, you know, forgot what size I had, but I just quickly got a 50 cent move. I had 2,000 shares, so 50 cent move on that. It was about 60 cents. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, I'll update this ESRX here. Sell signal on the negative tick reading. That's what we're looking for. Alright, comes the market. Market just broke lows. So this thing should start moving here. I got 10 cents already, but probably looking for this thing to come into about 22. It'll give me a about a quarter point. Let's see if it does it. It's still holding up. Yeah, cover at the 23 area. Anyway, I'll update this here. Alright, actually did get stopped out here. Don't know why it didn't sell off more. Well, on to the next trade here. Wow, look at the market snapback. There's some snapback there. Alright, just been scanning through charts, and it seems like there's probably going to be nothing to do for a little while. So I'll be back with something later. Figure in about 15 or 20 minutes something should set up. Actually, it's GMCR short. If this one prints, I'll take it. Alright, just got along this MHS off this buy signal here. Sell signal just printed. Might hit this out. Yeah, let me get out of there. So I lost a little 3 cents there. This was a legit signal, not really the right pattern, but it was a positive tick rating on this up move. Waited for the pullback, but then that signal printed, so that got me out. Alright, trying this one again here is APKT. Buy signal on positive tick rating here. Pretty tight stop again, just a penny below the low. The buy signal basically came on candle that printed the low. So long from 91, risking 7 cents here. There's another one I'm taking here. This ESRX buy signal here. Low put in at, can't see it there, 47.05. My stop is 47.04, and I'll update here. And there goes this APKT. Got my finger on the trigger here. Just trying to get a little bit over 20 cents. Get a quarter point or so. Alright, so just sold it right there. Nice trade, and still in the ESRX. I think it might get a little resistance at this 31. So that's actually where I'm going to sell it. It's not going to be a quarter point trade, but I kind of misjudged the profit target on this one. The APKT was nice though. It's still going. I sold there at 24. It's up there at 50. So it's a nice one. It's like a super extended bar. Wow. System seems to be functioning pretty nice today. This VRTX trade was crazy. The APKT could have paid better though. Sold it a little bit too early, but I'm not really greedy in my profit taking. Well, this ESRX is not behaving. I'll update you guys. Alright, next trade here, short LVS. Decent sell setup here. Stops at 45. My average is not that great. 30, about a 34 average, and I did get stopped out of the ESRX. One just didn't work out there. Didn't follow through. No big deal. Just taking my stops as they come. And I'm heavy short this this LVS signal here. I like it. And target's going to be down here at about 12 cents. Maybe it goes a little bit lower. I'll update you guys. Alright, might get stopped out here. Pretty close to it. And if I do, I'm gonna call it a day, I believe. I think it was up 18 and losing a little bit. So, and plus it's gonna hit 11 o'clock. So if I take a stop on this, gonna call it a day. If not, gonna trade a little bit more. So far it's holding, still holding down here. It's not printing above the 44 level. And target's actually, it's not 12, it's previous day's close is 14. So we're going to cover a little bit above that at 16. Cover half, actually. Let's see what happens here. And it was a nice one here, this DVN sell signal. Let's see, might take a stop here. It's back towards that 44 area. Let's see what other alerts I got. This one's not that great. Still no 45 print, so still in there. GMCR is another, no, not that nice. No, that's pretty much it. Not too many alerts. Alright, just an update here, still in it. It's kind of tough holding it, but not much emotion in the trade since my stop is there. Despite what a lot of people think about my trading style, there really is not much emotion going on. I don't care what you say. I mean, there's really not that much to it. So just updating you guys, still in it, and let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. Starting to break down. I think this is close to the lowest print we have been getting. Got down to 29. So there's definitely some long selling here. Let's just see if it wants to go any lower. We have a moving average that kind of held as support on the daily chart. Fast line held the last 2 days. Say maybe we get a close at around 40, 47, maybe 47.10, something like that. So kind of close to my target now. First stop at 16 cents. And I'll just see what the other half does. Maybe we'll get 20 cents on the second half. Alright, first half filled there, and I got my 20 cents on the second half here. No, 21 print I'm gonna just cover. I figured some folks will probably be covering at this this 14 level. So no 21 print yet. No need to jump out yet. Alright, there, just printed over that 21. Still a nice trade. It's kind of hard to stay with it. But profited pretty well. It's about a 15 cents I got out of it on 2,000 shares. A little bit under 15 cents. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit up the blog in the morning to get the daily watch list. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. And if you guys are looking for a good trading system, well, might I say awesome, visit my blog, click the products page, and you could purchase the product here. So if you're looking for a system that takes emotion out of trading, this might be the system for you. It's a quick scalp trading system. You can change the time intervals to be a little bit longer, so you get less signals. But this might be what you're looking for here. And LVS still went down despite me getting out. So got down to a low here of 13 cents. Could have got a little bit more out of it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something out of it. And if you have any questions about any of the trades in particular that you see in any of my videos, or in this particular video, or if you have any day trading questions in general, click the contact button, the navigation button on my blog, fill out the form, and I will get back to you in a timely manner. So once again, hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to get the watch list on the blog in the morning, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.